Hello! In today's short video tutorial, we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this Doogee V20 smartphone. So first of all, you gotta somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest and quickest way to do that is to swipe down from the top part of your display in order for the notification and control center to appear. Next, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so. Tap and hold. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the HardReset.info YT Wi-Fi network. Tap on it, click on the share icon, and in here, as you can see right below the QR code, we have the actual password for the network we have just chosen and the QR code itself. So from here you have two ways of connecting to this network, either by manually finding it and manually entering this password, or you can simply scan the QR code, which I'm going to show how to do right now. So I have this Nokia Android smartphone. I'll open up the built-in camera Google Lens, scan the QR code by framing it into the square, wait until it gets recognized, and then tap it on it. Now I'll choose the join network option. And as you will see now, our Nokia smartphone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.info 5G network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.